The Fantastic World of Thomas. Episode 3. The Big Crash. One day, Phillip was travelling down the line with a big goods train. But then he found a curve and he came off the tracks, just as my plan. And then Spencer came and crashed into the buff, into Phillip. So Topham had sent Gordon to go to put his coaches away. Bother. Gordon sped away. He was very annoyed. Gordon needed to go to the yard, but first he needed to pause the accident. He screeched so hard he couldn't stop, and the coaches pushed Gordon down the line and caused him to crash into the mess. And then Diesel 10 came and then crashed into the mess. Oh, the end. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.